So we're here in the ABI St David. It's a 38 by 12 and it's a 2-bed pre-owned holiday home, but in excellent condition. You can see it's got lovely furnishings, really nice sofa area, plenty of room for everyone. Nice and light and airy with those patio doors, and a lovely fireplace to make it cosier in the cooler evenings. With a fully fitted kitchen with oven, hob, microwave, and a dining table all set with the wine there, ready to go. And a lovely big fridge freezer. It's perfect for all your holiday provisions. As we go down all the way, we have shower room to the right and the twin bedded room. Again, lovely furnishings, nice and light. Plenty of storage, and the master bedroom, which is a lovely size. Again, plenty of storage, and with a ensuite bathroom. So I think you'll agree that this is a really lovely holiday home, and I'm sure there'll be many happy hours spent here. So if you'd like to see this holiday home or any of our others, we're here 7 days a week at Discover Parks. Give us a call or pop in. We'll be delighted to see you. Bye for now.